If you have this kind of problem, let's see how to solve it. Now restart your computer and go to motherboard BIOS. Now press the Del key while restarting the computer. You need to enable SVM mode in your CPU settings. Now save and exit. Now your problem is solved.